Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to allow everyone to send you message requests on the Messenger app for PC. With the latest update, this feature can help you connect with new friends and expand your network effortlessly. So, let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your computer. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu icon right below your profile photo. Go ahead and click on that icon. Next, you'll want to find and click on Requests. This will take you to a section where you can manage your message requests. After that, look for the option that says See Who Can Message You. Click on that to proceed. Now, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, find the option labeled Who Can Send You Friend Requests. Clicking on this will give you a few choices for managing your friend requests. Finally, select Everyone. This simple change allows anyone to send you message requests, making it easier for new connections to reach out. And there you have it. You've successfully allowed everyone to send you message requests on Messenger. Enjoy connecting with new friends.